In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve any challenges with your Uber Eats app if it is not opening or if it keeps on crashing. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access your Uber Eats app information page, and you can easily do this through settings. So if you go to settings, scroll down until you see the apps option, tap on it, and then you'll see manage apps option. So if you open the manage apps option, this will display all the apps you have on your smartphone. Then go ahead and look for the Uber Eats app, and my app is here. Tap on it to open. From here, you can see we have accessed the app information page. If this process is long to get here, then let me show you the shortcut. You can as well get to the same page by simply long pressing on the app, and then you'll see the app info page here. Then this will lead you to the same page. So on this page, you are interested in clearing the app data and more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see we have quite a number of cache data. So cache are just small files that are normally stored on your app to enhance performance. However, the accumulation of this data might cause your app to malfunction. So to clear this cache data, go ahead and tap on this clear data option here. Then you'll see clear cache option. Tap on it and then OK. Then go ahead and restart your smartphone, and this should solve any challenge with your app. And from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then go open your app, and Uber apps should now start functioning well. Should this not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and open the app through the Play Store and look for any update. So if I go to Play Store and then search for Uber Eats, you can see my app is here. Tap on it to open. So if you have any update, you'll see it here. Go ahead and update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using the outdated version, and updating it to the latest version will be able to solve all your challenges. Now, should this not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall the app, then install it afresh, and everything now will be okay. But should this not solve your problem, then you might want to find out if there is any challenge from Uber apps from the service provider. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your app and then get it working fine. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.